Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to adjust speed in Filmora. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically now you will be needing just to open your project so we can start modifying on the speed of our footage. So you can simply go to File, click on your project and start creating a new project, or you can open your existing projects. And now you will be needing like just to go to the media that you want to speed up or to control its speed. In my case, I have this stock media that I have just imported from the stock media, and this is just like an animated background. And as you can see, uh, it has only some cropping, etc. So let's just go to crop to fit. And basically, this is my media. Now to adjust the speed, all you will be needing to go or to do is just to go to the speed panel. And from here, you will have like the speed ramping or uniform speed. Uniform speed will just like have a uniform type of speed. So as you can see, like the video is short, it's just shorten the time of speed. And as you can see, it will be the same speed over the time. Otherwise, if we do like the speed ramping, it will have like some uh, adding and like up and down in speed. So from here, it will be slow, and then, for example, it will be fast again. So you can start also controlling whatever you like here in this graph. So we want it to be very speedy, we want it to be very slow, and let's speed it up again, very again, and let's slow it again, and speed it again, and slow it again by adding a keyframe and like that. And now we can just like see how that would like, and as you can see, it is fluctuating. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.